Welcome to a world where smiles are restored with precision and care. Nestled in the heart of the Rajkot city of India, City Dental Hospital has become a beacon of hope for many. From USA, Australia, UK, Eastern Africa, New Zealand, Canada to Gulf countries, people journey miles seeking the best in dental care. At City Dental Hospital, dental implants aren't just a procedure, they're an art form. Carved with precision, each implant is a testament to our commitment to excellence. A dedication that has healed thousands and gifted them a smile they can wear with pride. So if you're seeking an unparalleled dental experience for your full-mouth dental implants, or all-on-4 or all-on-6 dental implants, remember, a world-famous dental hospital and India's best dental hospital, City Dental Hospital, is just a smile away.